The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Broward County in South Florida, including the Fort Lauderdale metro area and far northern Miami-Dade County in South Florida, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:36 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of showers and possible embedded thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Parkland to 18 miles west of intersection Chrome and US 27, and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. The line of storms will affect intersection I-75 and US 27, Weston, Coconut Creek, Deerfield Beach, Pompano Beach, Cooper City, and surrounding communities. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 58 miles per hour, and/or large destructive hail. Frequent to excessive lightning and heavy rainfall is also possible. If the storm approaches your location, seek shelter in an enclosed building on the lowest floor, and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following counties: Broward and Miami-Dade County, South Florida.